How to fix Instagram Threads notifications problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, just go to settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again. Now just type your Threads, click on it, and now for stop it, go to storage and clear cache. Now just go back again, and go to the application. Now just try again, and if your problem is still not fixed, go back and try to go back to the settings here, go to Threads again, and now once you're here, just go to notifications. Make sure to turn on all those notifications that you will find here, and if you find this like that, just turn it on. And I hope this can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.